What?
Babe, do the fart one more time, please.
Do the fart one more time?
Please,
Babe,
do the
I
fart.
can't do the fart with, like, the smoke detector's gonna go off.
It would be funny if you farted and the smoke detector went off.
You said
Alright, you're right.
I didn't realize
You're right, she's right.
My delusion.
She's right.
Yes!
Alright, be careful. I'm gonna move my green screen again.
Okay.
Okay. Let me change cameras. Ow! Fuck! Oh! Fucker, bitch! Ah! There's a metal bar right in my fucking head!
Babe, are you okay?
Oh! I'm already on edge from quitting vape, dude. I'm gonna lose it.
Babe, it's okay.
I'm gonna lose it.
It's okay.
Crazy guy on Twitch loses it live. Live on Twitch. Everyone alive on Twitch. Fuck. Bro. How is this? How is this more of a nightmare than the fucking suit of armor stream? Holy shit, brother. Oh my god. Alright. We got it. You know what it is? Is there's such a fucking air draft coming in through the windows. We got 30 fucking windows open. It's creating a draft and just bringing down everything, man. What was I gonna do? I think I was gonna fart on camera. That's it, yeah. Let's do that real fast. Farter than a hoe. Farting on a hoe. Farting on a hoe. Farting on a hoe. Farting on a hoe. All right, let me change cameras real fast.
Of last year.
Oh,
I think that's something.
I think I drank too much soda.
Along came Exxon. Exxon's profits for the third quarter $18.7
Too much
billion.
soda.
One quarter, $18.7 billion.
Soda.
Triple what Exxon made last year. And the most in its 152-year history. It's never made that. In the last 6 months, 6 of the largest oil companies have made more than $100 billion. $100 billion. We had a discussion about this, Regulus and others. $100 billion in profits in less than 200 days. It's not bad. And here's why this one here is bad. I think it's outrageous with the size of the profit. Here's why it matters. These companies were making average profits they've been making by refining oil over the last 20 years, instead of the outrageous profits.
That's the last time I drink off-brand
And if they passed the rest on to the consumer, the price of gas would come down around an additional 50 cents. If they're investing their profits in historic grades in their U.S. operations, then America would be producing more oil today, and prices would be down.
Anybody
even
need a
further.
light?
But rather than increasing their investments in America or giving American consumers a break,
Dude, I look like a wanderer. Like, oh, what can I find here? Ah, fuck! Shit! Babe, do not walk past the door. It's wide open. They'll see everything. Fucker, bitch. Not you, babe. The green screen. Not you. You're fine. The green screen, babe. Fuck! Holy fuck, brother. Fuck! I got the pillow. Don't worry, babe. Fuck! Oh man, we're gonna hear it from the landlord now, dude. What was going on? Mr. Aethel, what was going on in your place? Would you believe it if I told you I had too much Diet Shasta? And got a little gassy? Because that's what happened. That's the honest to God truth. I had one too many Shastas. I bought a $50 fog machine and I had a little fun, alright? What's wrong with that? Hey man, for 50 bucks, And this was like 50 cents? Dude, go get yourself a Diet Shasta in a fog machine and go fucking crazy, man. This is the most fun I've had in a while. A lot of fun, man. Let me go throw away all this real fast. I'll be right back.